This is the SpeakON, and using it is just as easy as snapping it to your phone, pressing the button, and talking. I've been using the SpeakON with my iPhone for the past several weeks to replace my normal typed text and also voice to text with my iPhone and other AI-powered apps. And honestly, my workflows have gotten a heck of a lot faster, and I've been able to get through a lot more on my devices than before. I'm going to run you through the features, how it works, what it is, and how it stacks up against other voice dictation services and apps, and whether or not it's worth the money. First, let me show you what's in the box. So the packaging for the SpeakON is pretty minimal. You open up the box and the device is right on top. The SpeakON itself is very akin to almost like a hockey puck. Smooth finish all the way around, and it is MagSafe, magnetically connected on the back onto your iPhone or also Android device. The only other things in the box with the SpeakON are a USB-C charger and the instruction manual with steps on how to get it set up. And as I said, the SpeakON is a voice transcription and dictation device powered by AI. You basically have the USB charger on the top, and then you have a singular button with a status light next to it. Press the button and start talking. All you have to do to use the SpeakON is pair it to the app. It works again on iPhone or Android, connects through Bluetooth, snap it to the back of your phone, and whenever you are in a text field in any application, whether it's notes, web browsing, you name it, just press the button on the back of the SpeakON and start talking. Now you might be thinking, this sounds very similar to what my phone can already do, and that is true. However, anybody that's used this on an iPhone for an extensive period of time already knows accuracy is not very good. With the SpeakON, all of these problems are removed. The capability and processing power is far more intelligent, all around a better default experience. I need to go to the bank, get a haircut, walk the dog, and make dinner reservations. Make a list. I need to go to the bank, get a haircut, walk the dog, and make dinner reservations. Make the list more concise. Assign approximate times to each of the to-do items. Translate the list to Canadian French. What the SpeakON put on the note for me just from my voice is far above and beyond what the iPhone would do. And you can do this in any application that you want. You can do this in Safari, when you're sending an iMessage or an SMS message, wherever you can press to get a text input, you can use the SpeakON and you can just speak to it naturally. Like I said, this has completely replaced my workflow for anything involving writing long form on my phone, whether it's responding to YouTube comments, sending messages to friends, family, coworkers, or my wife, browsing the web, or even using AI like ChatGPT to do research. Now you might be thinking, what about a software transcription service like Flow or WhisperFlow? Well, these services are pretty good too, but there's two big differentiators between the SpeakON and these other services. First, these services are software only, so they need a connection to the internet to function. The SpeakON, being a hardware device, can do actually quite a bit of its core functionality completely offline without any connection to the web, which is a massive advantage right out of the gate. And unlike those other software-first services, the SpeakON does not have a subscription fee. It's a one-time purchase and you're set to go. But what has really made the SpeakON so natural to incorporate into my workflow, my everyday use of my phone, is just the fact of how fast it is, and at least for me, how natural the button placement is on the back of my phone when snapped on via MagSafe. It really couldn't be easier to just reach back and press, because I'm already naturally having my hand in that placement just to hold my phone to begin with. And as I mentioned, you can do a lot more with SpeakON than just taking voice to text. There's also built-in translation capabilities, and again, in any app you might be using, email, text, web browsing, what have you. After your initial speech-to-text transcription, you just hit that modifier button, change the language, and it's done. Immediately switched into whatever language you need, and then it's ready to cut and paste, or just send if it's an email or a text to whoever needs to receive it. During my testing time with this device, I've been negotiating a watch purchase with a seller out of Italy, and it has been incredible for allowing me to just naturally speak back to the seller and have it spent off in Italian without any friction, any subscription cost. It really has been very, very handy for this. And of course, a key feature for a device like this is the ability to use it in an unlimited basis, and this SpeakON does do that as part of its one-time purchase fee. Compared to many other, especially hardware players like Plod or Pocket, having that unlimited capability is a key differentiator. And unlike those other two devices, SpeakON only records and captures when you want it to when you press that button on the back. So it doesn't need to record everything happening around you, only what you want it to. Really, the only downside I've experienced so far with the SpeakON is the battery life. I can typically get a couple of days of use, regular use throughout the day, out of the device, but it is, again, very compact and small in form. So it is understandable why the battery life is not as good as it possibly could be, but you can get several days of use out of it without any issue. And being that it charges via USB-C, I can use any of the cables I already have for all of my devices because I'm in a fully USB-C ecosystem to charge it up whenever I need to. If you want to learn more about SpeakON and get $10 off your purchase of a SpeakON device, click the link down at the top of the video description and use my coupon code down there for your discount. Thank you to the team at SpeakON for sending this device over for me to test out and review for you guys here on the channel. And as always, let me know down in the comments what you think about the SpeakON. Do you love it? Do you hate it? Do you want one? Or do you have one? Looking forward to hearing your thoughts. And we'll see you again soon in the next video.